I actually do like watching it oscillate, even though I'm not that kind of guy. I like the noise though. I'm not an ASMR kind of guy though. Kind of hypnotizing, I guess. Why do you like all this old crap? Well, it's not crap, it's still around. And it's stuff I grew up around. And look at this house, look at this wallpaper. All the ceiling fans except the one in the dining room, in the living room, is original. This one's white because it matches in here. Montgomery Ward. Evergo. The version without the reverse switch. Not the original globe. Not the original light kit fitter thing. And I learned this year that the capacitor isn't bad. They just start out slow on slow and fast on fast. So I would turn it on fast first, and that's for a swag kit. I've been subbed to Jordan Youth since like 2021, I think. Hope you like the green. I like it. That's just temporary.